Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add Contact Form 7. First, access your WordPress dashboard and go to the Plugins section. Search for Contact Form 7 and click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, make sure to activate the plugin. This simple step prepares your website for creating powerful contact forms, allowing you to connect with your audience effectively. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your first form. From the Contact menu, select Add New. You'll see a default form template, which is a great starting point. You can easily add or remove fields such as text areas for messages, email fields, and submission buttons. This intuitive interface makes form creation straightforward and efficient for any user. After designing your form, it's crucial to set up the mail notifications. Go to the Mail tab within your form editor. Here, you'll define where the form submissions are sent. Enter the recipient's email address, customize the email subject line, and adjust the message body to include all relevant submission details. This ensures you receive every inquiry promptly. The final step is to display your contact form on your website. Each form generates a unique shortcode. Simply copy this shortcode and paste it into any page or post where you want the form to appear. Update or publish your page, and your contact form will be live and ready to receive messages from your visitors. It's that simple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.